Hi, I'm James Green, Business Development Manager for Public Sector with Jabra. Welcome to a fabulous Zoomtopia 2023. I am at the Jabra booth showing some of our new solutions for contact center. Come on over. Let's take a closer look. What I am showing today are two specific software applications that we have with our contact center products. The first of which is Engage AI. Engage AI is a speaker, tone, and sentiment analysis tool. With it being AI, it learns the speaker, it learns their intonation, it learns their tone, their tenor during a conversation. So that particular customer service agent can improve the quality of their calls with their customer. Now what you see with our graphical representation, I am the speaker on top, the individual on below is our customer. And so what we have done with that, we've taken thousands of voices and we've compiled them into a baseline where I can gauge that tone and tenor of my customer. So again, I can improve my customer experiences through the use of our particular products. A couple of other interesting things that we do capture with this application: the number of interruptions that may be occurring during the call. Are there awkward or long pauses that occur during the call? And what's the average reaction time for that particular agent when a question is asked? That is our Engage AI product. Another product that we are showing this week is our Engage Plus product. That product does a great job of using our microphones and a lot of the data within our headsets to capture, again, a lot of applications that are very pertinent for that customer service experience. So as an example, with Engage Plus, what we do is we capture background noises. Was there distracting background noise that occurred during the call? Microphone placement. One of the things that we don't really realize as users, did I have the microphone in the right position during the call? Was I clear to that particular person on the other side? And again, how frequently did I have to mute? Did I know my subject matter and what have you? The other thing that we like to do with this particular product, or that we can do with this product, is we can show that conversation flow. Were there interruptions that occurred? Did I interrupt that particular customer? Did I allow them to get their concern out? Again, how long was the call? Did the call go longer than it needed to? And then frankly, really, was there a device connected? So with Jabra, we are more than just your headsets that we grew up with. We actually are now fantastic video products and also our software products as well. So for more information, please go to jabra.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.